सरकारान उत्तर दिला 31 तारखेक सनबन जावचो ना, पूण 31 तारखेच्या सनबनाचे तिकेटीचो विक्रो राज्यातय चल्ला, राज्या भायरय आणि देशा भायरय। सरकारान ताबडतोब हो प्रकार बंद करचो, ना जाल्यार सनबन बंदूच करात, टीएमसीचो राष्ट्रीय प्रवक्तो ट्रोजन डिमेलोन मागला। पश्चिम बंगालाची मुख्यमंत्री ममता बॅनर्जी आड वापरिल्ल्या दुस्वासी उतरांक घेवन भाजपाचो केंद्रीय मंत्री गिरिराज सिंगान माफी मागची, गोयच्या तृणमुलान मागला।
Is the controversy on the date of 31st? Definitely one thing you should not have the sunburn on 31st. It's going to create law and order situation. It will also hit our poor businessmen of Goa, where people spread out on various things. Now, on one side, the chief minister says there is not going to be sunburn on 31st. On the other side, they are selling the tickets. But what is very interesting is that the man who was permitting this 31st speaks later on, that is, tourism minister speaks after the chief minister, saying that there will not be sunburn. My question is now, the sunburn is selling the EDM, whatever that, they are selling tickets. This is what is being reported. If that is true, the police should immediately, the government should immediately take action, because they are cheating and fooling the people of, not only of Goa, but throughout India and even people from abroad. It's open their cheating. Government is saying there is not going to be 31st, as per government statement. As per reports in the press, they are selling tickets. If that is so, it's open daylight robbery. Are you allowing? Is Goa become that? Cheat the people? Not only of the state, outside the state and outside the country. So are we becoming a part and parcel of allowing fraudsters to come and cheat the people? The government should immediately take action against them and see that the ticket sale is immediately stopped. If not, all the other 3 days they should not be permitted.
टीएमसी सुप्रीमो आणि पश्चिम बंगालची मुख्यमंत्री ममता बॅनर्जी आड आक्षेपार्ह विधान केल्ल्यान भाजपाचो केंद्रीय ग्रामीण उदरगत मंत्री गिरिराज सिंगान माफी मागपाक जाय अशें ट्रोजन डिमेलोन म्हटला। एके वटेन नारी सन्मानाची भाषा वापरप जाल्यार मुख्यमंत्री पदार आशिल्ले बायलेचो हीन उतरांनी अपमान करप हीच भाजपावाल्यांची खरी संस्कृताय अशा उतरांनी ट्रोजनान गिरिराज सिंगाक शेपलावन काढला।
नारी सन्मान, बेटी बचाओ, बेटी पढाओ आणि एकूच मुख्यमंत्री आख्खी इंडियेक एक बायल मनीस तेजो नारी अपमान करता ही लायकी। आता वो गिरिराज सिंग मिसोजिनिस्टिक रिमार्क्स यूजिंग वर्ड्स लायक थुंका एके बायले मनशाक मुख्यमंत्री, what does it show? It's the most highly outrageous and insulting remarks against our chief minister. It only exposes the BJP's culture of disrespecting women in the country, and Goa TMC unit strongly condemns this. But we would like to bring to the people of Goa particularly and all India that this culture is nothing new. During the West Bengal elections, the Prime Minister, who sat with his entire cabinet there to dislodge Mamata Banerjee, got so frustrated when he came to know that he's getting a drubbing, had made those cat calls, Didi, oh Didi. What is the culture? Beti bachao, beti padhao. What culture thing so? I'm going to buy now. Magta, uktek dorat doye. Parat 2024 yet kabar ko tele de.
गोवा 365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगीस आणि शिवानी सांगेलकार।